Good morning. Kurt here with Teach Mom How. If you like these videos, if they're helpful in any way, please like and subscribe to the channel. It keeps us going. And here is a quick tip on a new feature that's available now with Mac OS Sonoma. Okay, you can now browse privately. This is similar to it hides your search history. Of course, you can use this for ill intent, but mainly it's just for privacy. So people and the powers that be don't know everything about you. Um, it's similar to Google Chrome's incognito mode, but here's how you do it. You go to Safari and you go File, New Private Window, and there you go. Now you're running in incognito mode. Another way this comes in handy is maybe you're testing something on a website, or maybe you're doing a YouTube channel. And when you go to YouTube and you search things, the search results are skewed, okay, based on based on your browsing history and what you like. So sometimes, like for example, if I go to YouTube and I do a search term for something I've made a video on, my videos will sometimes show up more frequently. They'll show up higher. Okay. My videos, sometimes that's actually my video. This is my most viewed video. It's way old and outdated, but it still gets a lot of views. Excuse me. So maybe my search terms are skewed because of who I am and what I watch and what I made. But if I go to private browsing, it doesn't know any of that. Okay. Again, it's like the incognito mode on Chrome. There you go. I guess that one's just number 3 on the list. That's cool. That's why I get so many views. All right, I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe. But that's how you browse privately, or incognito as they call it in Google Chrome. That's how you do it in Safari on Mac OS Sonoma. Again, I'm Kurt with Teach Mom How. Have a great day.